Hey hikers, I'm in Guatemala and I got here the 27th of August. I'm hiking from the airport in Guatemala City to Quetzaltenengo. It should take me about 12 days, a couple hundred miles. And I'm going to be uploading daily videos. So enjoy the ride. I think it's going to be a great one. Good morning, Caminantes. Starting out on a busy road here. Just a short note, starting off at about 4:10, 20 kilometers to go, August 31. About 22 kilometers to Patzun. So I'm going from Zaragoza to Patzun. I got to cross this busy road. There's already traffic here, so I'm gonna get going, and I'll say a little more as I walk along here, as it gets a little later. I can get kind of situated. Okay. Well, boy, about 2 hours. No, let me see. About 5.5 miles into my walk here. It's going on 2 hours, I guess. Now in 45 minutes. Walking through this town here. Got off the busy highway and did a kind of a sketchy cutoff from one of the C1 loops to the other. And these big old loops on this highway, people going 90 miles an hour, but Google like cut off a couple of them. So I ended up in the trash again on the bottom of this one, but I was able to wade through it a bit. And now I'm on a road with no shoulder whatsoever. Right now I'm on a shoulder. This is about as wide as it's going to get, but it's real narrow. I was going to say it's like that. That's ye old shoulder. So I'm going to have to be dodging those chicken buses for a while. But anyway, talk to you in a bit. Okay, so as I warned, here's the chicken bus coming at me at full speed. Here's the narrow little ledge here I gotta figure out how to get off of. And there's the good old horn, boy. Woohoo! Love that horn right in your ear. Oh man, it's looking kind of nice out here. The sun comes up. Very beautiful. Señor. ¿Cómo estás? Hay mucho trabajo para ti. Sí. Qué bueno, qué bueno. Adiós. Check-in. It's 6:16 a.m. and I'm walking to Patzun. I've been walking about 7-8 miles so far, and a beautiful walk. I mean, last time I walked it was pouring down rain, and this is such a whole different experience. I mean, talking to people, getting people's pictures, and seeing people riding to work. It's just amazing. I am so blessed to be able to be out here on this beautiful day, just wandering around, experiencing the culture. So, okay, check back in a bit. I think I have like 4 more miles to go to get to Patzun. Hey buddy, you know the way to San Pedro La Laguna? Oh, there you are. You know the way to San Pedro? Buenos días, señor. Well, I'm dodging traffic here on this zero shoulder road. There's a car passing another car. I want to talk a little bit about two words: through hiking and continuous footpath. These are words that hikers use that are going from one destination to the next. I think it kind of originated on the Appalachian Trail, where it started at the border and walked all the way up through Maine and ended there at Katahdin. And you're not really a true through hiker until you've done at least one through hike. And so I guess it's kind of technical. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a through hike. I'm starting at one destination and going to another destination, Quetzaltenengo. And I've done several of these, so I guess I can truly call myself a through hiker. Continuous footpath is when you start at the starting point and you don't skip anything. You totally walk the entire journey without taxis, buses, anything. And if you do get, like yesterday, I got a taxi to my place of laundry and then back, but my footpath is continuous from that place because I walked there to begin with from the Villa Alcazar. So yeah, continuous footpath and through hiking. There you go. Break time. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit. I've walked about 9 miles, 8 or 9, and I got 3 more to go. So I'm gonna sit here and eat something. I just ate an apple walking down here and grabbed a cup of coffee back there a couple miles. So yeah, I think Patzun is got another little town to go through, and then I hit Patzun. So should be there shortly. Sit down for about 20 minutes. Had some sardines that I bought in Anchorage. I brought them all the way down here. They were good though, with some crackers that I bought here in Guatemala. And took off my shoes and socks, everything dried out. And I'm ready to roll again for the last, oops, I don't get run over. I'm ready to go. Okay, see you in a bit. Buenos días, señor. Yeah. Here, is there lugares para coffee? Para tomar?
¿A poco?
¿Aquí? ¿Tienen coffee?
¿Café? No, aquí no.
¿Dónde? posible en
Al otro lado, el mercado.
Okay, en el mercado.
Sí.
So I was just talking to that guy on the motorcycle. Where's the coffee? Give me some coffee. Where is it close? And it's probably down here by my hotel. I mean, the hotel I'm staying in is right next to the Catholic Church, so that'll be very cool. And he wanted to make sure. I told him I was from Estados Unidos, and he goes, "I'm from Patzun." It's like he was so proud of it, man. Like totally proud of Patzun. Here we are. Look at this place. This is like $15. Oh gosh. Can you believe it? I mean, it was 100 Quetzals, 125 Quetzals. I don't know what that is, but man, look at this. This is beautiful. Got a little table. Got some nice color pictures of looks like San Pedro Laguna. I got this little kitchen area. I can make some noodles and pasta. I bet you I even have hangers in here for my clothes. Yes, hangers for my clothes. Then we've got the ye old bathroom. Oh, look at this baby. Okay. Big old shower. We got this little gadget here. Okay, hopefully it works. I'm gonna take a shower very soon. Okay. Wow, I'm a happy guy. Thing is huge.
Time 4 hours 32 minutes 10 seconds. Total distance 12.43 miles. Average pace 21 minutes 54 seconds per mile. Split pace 25 minutes 29 seconds per mile.
Got my eye on that Hannah Deli. Coffee time. Coffee time. All kinds of stuff. I found my little home away from home for a bit. The Hannah Deli. Panadeli. It's actually pronounced Panadeli. Daily, I guess. Man, am I lucky. My hotel is just right up the street, half a block, right up there by the Domino's. So I got an apple strudel and coffee. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Manuela.
Manuela. Nombre muy bonita.
Bueno, gracias.